What's up, guys? So today we have something super exciting. Come here, come a little closer. Today we get to test drive a G80 M3. And just before that, we're going to go install my new Palm Performance carbon fiber side skirts on the M3. So everybody, I want you to meet our new friend, Logan. He has this beautiful 335, oh, it's a 328, I'm so sorry. You have to take the bumper off the car in order to install this slip, but here's kind of, for reference, what it kind of looks like. Kind of nifty. So we discovered that the brackets holding the bumper to the fender together were being held on by zip ties. Obviously, when you sell a car, I think it's really honest of you to disclose any information that was done to the car. Obviously, that doesn't happen, and not everybody is honest like me. Whatever happened to my Camaro or Subaru, I tied everything up with those cars. They were literally perfect when I sold them off. So the fitment is a little off, but Logan here did the very best of his ability, and he made it absolutely spicy. It was totally out of his control, but what he did work on as far as the splitter, it looks amazing. It seems that there's like no lights at all. That's super annoying.
Oh, daddy.
So we're gonna have my buddy G80 Chris go take my car for a drive, so that way I can hear it from the outside, because I've never heard this car at all. Can you give it some fat revs? Oh my god. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, go take it for a spin, baby. Sheesh. It's literally just primary and secondary cat delete. Yeah. All right, so first time I get to finally hear my car from the outside, someone else driving it. God, it sounds so good. I love it. First impressions, what do you think?
I've never been so tied between a DCT and a manual. I feel more control of the manual, and I feel like the manual is faster.
This is one of the greatest cars I've ever driven.
I would say the same. Stock for stock, these go hand in hand with the Type R, like in a straight line, but I've driven a lot of different cars. I've driven like C63s, I've cars. If there's anything that has made me think twice about getting rid of the Type R or getting rid of the G80 now that I have it, it'd be this car.
I love that.
Smokes.
G80 Chris approved. I love hearing that about my own car. And you see, guys, that's why I bought this thing. Yo, Justin, come over here. Tell me about your car.
2025 M4.
Yeah?
F82 H5.
All right. So
I'm just with you. 2023 G80 X-Drive. Stock other than just springs and the
when'd you get it?
earlier this year, like February.
Is it X-Drive or is it rear-wheel drive?
It's X-Drive.
It's X-Drive. I like the 50th anniversary that they do right here with the emblem.
Yeah.
Dude, the all-white interior is so sick. Oh, thank you so much. That helped a lot.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I love how they do the center in the carbon. I would really like one of these. Is this new X3M or X5M? Interior's so nice. What do you guys think? Would you get an XM SUV? The most hated phrase in the world. Say it again.
Must be nice.
Ah! This is Travis, right?
Yes.
Okay, what's up, man? Nice to meet you, dude. We have a E90. It's a 21 Supra, so it is the 6-port injection.
Yeah, 6 I think go first.
What pushed you to get the Toyota Supra?
People told me I couldn't, and I fell in love with it.
That's awesome. So what kind of hood is on here?
I'm on TS2 style.
Oh.
Got a airlift 3-lead.
I love.
The tank and the compressor.
I like the false
paint
floor.
matched.
You did engineered wood.
Yes. Yeah, I did it all myself.
Upshift is like I just want the loud gunshot on the upshift. That's all I want.
335 Ioners.
I don't own one, but I want one. That's the only reason I'd ever own one. I probably wouldn't keep it. I'd blow it up and sell it.
Mr. G80 Chris is letting me take his manual G80 M3 for a ride.
iDrive 8, that's
With the iDrive 8. Dude, this thing is so beautiful. Thank you so much. I'm really happy you didn't get the comp seats because I would not fit in them. God, it's beautiful.
You are the first person besides myself to drive this car. Oh, focusing, there we go.
I like the
Got the map going. Oh, he's fully set up with the iDrive 8. There we go. M2 is going to be Sport Plus everything. On the left, one is going to be Sport Plus trans and engine, and then comfort steering and comfort suspension and steering.
Thank you
I would
for letting me drive
I would put it in M2 honestly, because you can't really feel when it's mild.
The brakes are so grabby. I love that. This man also got like 5% tint already.
Ooh, you grabbed third, and you got rev match.
Is rev match on?
It is.
How do I turn off?
So we're going to go to setup, and then we're going to go to gear shift assistant off. They don't call it rev match. They want fancy words for it. And then here's what we're going to do also. We're going to change the screen by hitting M mode and going into sport. All this really does is turn off driver assistance, and boom, it changes your gauge cluster. So you're dialed in. And if you need to do a 3-point, you got a 360 camera to hook you up.
Okay, fine. I think it'll let me do it.
There we go. Oh, it's that steering radius though.
Oh, dude, it's so good for the size of this car. The steering radius is awesome.
My raw opinion is that this feels like a 5 Series with a 6-speed.
I agree. So, first impressions on this car, steering is electric, but it's pretty good. It's really sharp. It's on basically MDM, right? What you would call that.
Yeah, so everything's on.
So with MDM, everything in suspension, I noticed on just M1, it was just plush. It was like just perfect enough for like city driving. Rev matching is super easy in this car. The turn-in is awesome. It feels pretty balanced. For the money, I don't think you can beat it. Car holds its value. The shift points are really good. I think the shifter, it's thumb to pinky, it's literally perfect. Turbo comes on around like 3K, 3,500. I do like the clutch. It took a second to get used to, but I mean, like after you and I, we drive like
it's
many cars.
It's a springy, cartilagey BMW clutch, like a lot of other BMWs.
It reminds me a lot more of my E46. It's such a comfortable car. If you guys want a manual twin turbo i6 BMW, this is probably hands down the best daily I've ever driven.
Here's one thing that's kind of interesting about the G80 also. If you step into a 330 or an M340i, the G80 feels like a bigger car.
It does, but as soon as you start driving around, it truly just like, it shrinks around the corners. Once you start pushing it, you forget that it weighs, how much does a manual weigh?
Well, it's 400 pounds more than the F80 competition.
So we're clicking almost at 4,000 pounds, right?
Correct.
Does not feel like 4,000 pounds. This car hides its weight really well. I think if I get a newer manual 4-door M3, I think I would get a G80. This just won me over so much, and I love the iDrive. So G80 M3 manual gets a yes from me. I would definitely buy one of these cars in the future. Thank you so much again.
Sure, man. My pleasure.
Yet again, it's another beautiful 6:30 a.m. Saturday morning for 4 till 4 Cars and Coffee. I think today is Hypercar and Supercar Day, so let's go have some fun. Take a look at this GTR. Fully built or not? Totally stock, right? Totally stock. Super stock. Boost Logic wheels. I've never heard of that. I know Boost Logic, didn't know they made wheels. That's sick. I like the Euro markers. That's neat. I dig a ducktail. I don't know about on the E92. Should I get a ducktail or a big wing on the E92? Comment down below what you guys think. Spicy. Oh, I like that. 992 GT3. I love this Manthe. So sick. This Ben. Side profile is insane. The wing, My God, this rear end. Well, it's a beautiful day when you got Ben Levrine and 4 Till 4 Cars and Coffee. And I know. And we have ourselves a Bloodsport Porsche 991.2 GT2 RS. I would sell everything for this car.
I would sell my nuts for this.
Would sell them, yes. Dude, look at the hood. This is insane. I hope you guys can pick this up. This is crazy. The little babies.
Ina, come here. Ina, sit.
Hey, Milo. He's so cute. Hi. Hi, buddy. It's okay. He's so adorable. Okay, so just got back from Cars and Coffee and I slept for like 3 hours. We're going to go restore my headlights in the garage real quick. So I'm gonna show you a little sample. I'm gonna actually make another video for a tutorial, so I hope you guys enjoy this little snippet. Headlights really yellow and blurry. You can't afford to spend $1,000 on your headlights. And you don't know how to use professional detailing tools. If you're wondering why you're seeing me on the couch, it's not that. Come a little closer. I plugged my mic in to the wrong port. So we get no audio from the following clip that's just about to play. I made it to the shoot with my friend Anthony and we got some really good footage. So I'll finally be able to disclose the new carbon fiber splitter that I got from Palm Performance next time the mic will work. I really hope you guys like it. We put a lot of work into this shoot, so enjoy. If you've made it this far, thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. And since you've sat and watched through my whole video, this is going to be the next mod. I figured I now have a German car, so why not tint the headlights yellow while I get new ones built? Yeah, so we have some really cool headlights that are getting built right now that are gonna do a bunch of stuff. And what really helps that I know you guys actually enjoy these videos, hit that like button, but also, I want to hear what you guys have to say about my videos. If there's anything that I could do differently, comment down below what you think I could change, what you like, or what's new to the scene that you enjoy seeing from my videos. And last but not least, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and follow along for the next month that we'll be doing next week. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you all. And I look forward to bringing you guys more fun videos. Thank you. Cheers.